Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And this aircraft came in with severe GPS interference, and I'll show you in this one how we reset this problem. And my first system to reset are the aircraft environment surveillance units that contain weather radar, GPWS, transponder, TCAS. Afterwards I'll go down and reset the MMRs, and the MMRs, the multi-mode receivers, these are containing the GPS receivers of the aircraft. As the GPS interference problem is very persistent on these flights because of the region they fly through, it's a procedure that's almost done daily. And here I go down into the avionics compartment to look for the circuit breakers to reset the multi-mode receivers. There we go again. Circuit breaker you see me pull here is the one of the Suncoin, because if there is a lot of GPS interference, they also tend to lose the internet connection to the airplane. Well, there's also a way to reset that in one time. And here we have the location of the circuit breaker of the multi-mode receiver, number one. On the other side we'll find the multi-mode receiver, system number 2.
Okay, already marked.
And after some time waiting, I'm resetting all the circuit breakers, and then I'll go up and see if the GPS is recovering. Also, one other write-up was that the control knob was loose on the weather radar control panel, which always also is the aircraft environmental system control panel. Here you go. So I just have to find the right Allen key size to fasten them.
This one is it? It is.
controller. I have an APU that give a message. I got the brake to vacate,
Fuel and
serve row rob, and fuel inertia. The brake to vacate and the serve row rob. ROW and R/ROP are related to the GPS interference that I still need to clear. The APU was working on arrival, and also for the brake to vacate and the row rob. What I do now is just a flight warning system 1 and 2, reset brake reset, and see if the messages stay away or come back. So here you see that I only have the fuel inertia system still on the dispatch message, and this one is already deferred in the tag log.
fuel and lightning was already there.
So the complaint from the APU is that they got the dispatch message after they initiated the shutdown procedure of the APU, after they had started the APU at the departure station. So, but on arrival, the APU is working normally. And, the test is just also to do a run of the APU. Well, as I already saw it working, just sign it off that it was already working and that the dispatch message has been cleared. The aircraft didn't have any problems with the APU on departure.
APU was working on arrival, so no need to do this. once again, GPS interference also.
I'm pulling up the GPS location. So here you see the pages GNS number 1 and GNS is number 2. And then I'll go into the system test to test the multi-mode receivers to clear the GPS interference complaint. And now with the IRS is fully aligned, I still have the serve row rob message that was created by the GPS fault during the flight, but here I'm unable to clear that one. That one is deferrable, and that is also the option that I will take later on for dispatching this aircraft. It probably is somewhere related into the communication system, I think, although when I start looking for the correct fault code to troubleshoot the problem, the system doesn't really want to give me one. So that's also the reason that I am going to defer that. Now in here I am testing the multi-mode receiver number 1, and then you get a dispatch message that the GPS is IR is rejecting the GPS, but as part of the test. And that will recover later, and then I'll move on to the test of the multi-mode receiver number 2. Also passed, so it's for me okay to sign off the GPS interference, and then I'll open a new complaint for the surveillance row rob complaint that is still there on the dispatch message. For the problem, but yeah, it doesn't want to give me anything. So for just working the problem a little bit, I am going to cycle the circuit breakers of the DERUs, and I'm also resetting the brims and secondary computers for that, but still the dispatch message still displayed. A full restart of the aircraft could have solved the problem, but I didn't want to interfere with the handling process, more or less, because restarting the airplane and have it fully running again takes about 10 to 15 minutes anyway. So I didn't want to take the time, and the dispatch was pretty easy option to take.
What the problem is. Guess who's back?
Sure, you can open it. Just be sure it's Hallo. Ja, goed hoor. Altijd. Hè? Ja, ach. Ze gaan vanzelf weer weg. Niet directly, nee. Ja, ik vraag het wel. Yep. Ja? Oké, goed. Let's see if that works. Bing, 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 bing. Yeah.
Zero G, não veo nada. Aqui não se vê nada. Nada se vê.
Making too much noise. Hallo, ik spreek met Dennis. Hi. Yes. Yeah, well, GPS is recovered. Yes. The only thing is I got stuck with the serve row message that I cannot. So, you see surveillance and then the row, ROW/row. Yeah, so that stayed after realignment, so I shut them off and see if it after realignment comes back on again, see what if that clears it, because it doesn't give me any specific fault codes. Alright, well, we'll do that, thank you, but GPS is recovered. Yeah, okay. If the message stays, I'll call you back for dispatch code, okay? Okay, thank you, bye-bye. Let's hope so.
3 Aderus, and they have all 2 different power sources. So I'll just take a picture of the circuit breaker list and see if I can find the location. In the part before you saw me testing the IRUs, everything more or less tested okay, so yeah, I couldn't really put my finger on what the why the dispatch message was still displaying, and I was just trying to see if a system would fail the test so I could work the fault code that it would give me, but the adhers tested okay. So here I'll try to give them a power restart and see if that would clear the message. It sadly doesn't, so yeah, I'll have to defer it later, but yeah, maybe it's nice just to follow the process. time again to realign the adherence.
Well, let's see if it.
Finishing up some of the common complaints that were solved, not shown in this video, and then in the end you'll see the serve ROW/ROP dispatch message pop up again that I then have to defer. But I want to thank you if you made it so far in this video, and I would like to see you back the next time. Like and subscribe, give a comment, and goodbye.